know you guys are playing like Pokemon, and then the next
Here,
thing
let
you
me
know.
propose to you at the pool. I'll dunk your head in the water. Show you that the waves cause everything is shit. And when you're up there in the live, I'm gonna save you and say, will you marry me?
Dude, maybe it's symbolic in a like the hardship of the mountain or whatever.
I know, Brian. He's like artistic, so.
I know, that's why he's a creative guy.
You are my moon.
My soon.
And my star.
Or you'll probably wrap it out, you know.
I don't even know what.
Hey, can't lean.
That'd be cool.
See, you girls have your camera on the pedestal.
No,
You need to lower that.
Brandon
camera.
put it on up there. Brandon put it up there.
Exactly. You guys expected
That's Brandon.
Brandon. So when they're getting married this year?
Right? Am I right?
Brandon and Lynn, they're getting married in August.
I talked to them. They said he said open bar. What about the bachelor's? What?
Open bar.
We're having so many wedding parties.
Miss Brian. Right? Cheaper?
Then start looking at dresses. You choose a groom's drink and a bride's drink. Those are the only two drinks they're going to serve, and wine. Something like that. That's the open bar.